If you've ever felt stuck in cravings, overthinking, or a deep, unrelentless sense of lack, this earth element meditation is for you. We're not just calming the mind here, we are rewiring it through the body where real change happens. The most powerful way to create change in your life and for the world at large is to change patterns that are held in your body. The mind often chases a sense of wholeness when the body already knows the way. So this earth element meditation will guide you into your body, into your unconscious mind, where real healing begins. By diving deep into your breath, your digestion, and your energetic center, you'll bring unconscious patterns into conscious awareness. So you can transform cravings, you can calm your nervous system, strengthen your digestion, and you can restore your inner sense of stability. With consistent practice, this meditation can help you to feel more grounded and nourished, less reactive to cravings and looping thoughts, and more present in your body and in your life in general. Earth is the element of stability, groundedness, and embodied presence. And because Earth sits at the center of the 5 elements, grounding into the Earth element brings balance to all aspects of your life, no matter whether you're navigating grief, fear, anger, or joy. So if you find this meditation helpful, return to it regularly, because the earth element is all about stability and consistency in practice. I'll have a timestamp for the beginning of the meditation for easy access for returned use. And check the description for other resources that I'll link. One is a free 5-element quiz to find out which elements you're strong in and maybe other elements that you aren't as strong in, as well as practices on this YouTube channel that complement this practice. I'd love to hear how this meditation lands for you in the comments. And if you're feeling me here, subscribe. I appreciate your support. Let's get into the meditation. Now let your eyes close or soften into a gentle gaze. And begin to feel your weight settle in beneath you. And let yourself rest into that support. Feeling your muscles relax as you release your weight into gravity. Feel the connection of your body with the ground beneath you. Feeling your legs relax, softening through the front of your thighs, and relaxing through your inner thighs. Feel your sit bones grounding down into gravity and resting into that support. Softening the muscles around your pubic bone and tailbone. And letting your belly soften. And as you do, feel your digestive system increasingly relax. As your ribs stack over your hips, feel the muscles running through your spine naturally support your posture. letting your chest and upper back and shoulders all relax and rest. And feel the muscles of your cheeks and under your eyes soften. And notice how your body reorganizes itself as you increasingly hand yourself over to gravity. And begin to observe your breathing, noticing your natural tendencies and how you're breathing right now. Feel your breath moving in and out. And with each exhale, feel the weight of your body release even more. Allow your breath to slow down as you increasingly relax, feeling each breath in and each breath out. Move without any effort, washing over you, over your body, down into the earth, down into gravity. And let your breath continue to deepen, taking you deeper into relaxation as your breath slows down. And the transitions between your inhales and exhales smooth out, all with complete ease. And you can choose to place your hands onto your stomach, around the belly button. And as you breathe in, feel your belly expand into your hands. On your exhales, feel your belly softly release back in toward your spine. And if this doesn't feel easy or natural at first, you can consciously direct your breath into your hands. As you train your diaphragm into deeper engagement. And as you consciously breathe into your abdomen, feel how this takes you deeper into relaxation, resting your nervous system, releasing tension in your breath, and releasing tension in your mind and throughout your body. allowing you to drop deeper and deeper into your body and deeper into rest. Feel how the deeper you relax, the more healing you give to yourself. Feel this breathing become completely natural and effortless as it pumps new lymph through your body, cleansing you and protecting you with heightened immunity. As you continue to feel your belly expand in and out, allow your inhales and exhales to lengthen to 3, 4, or 5 counts. Whatever feels easiest and most natural in this moment. As you rest into this gentle, even breathing, notice how your counting is also relaxed. And continue to take some moments with this. Feel yourself drop deeper into rest, strengthening your digestion, relaxing your mind, and deeply grounding your body. You can continue with this breathing pattern, or simply let your breath ease into natural movement. And begin to notice any thoughts passing through your mind right now. And let them appear before you. And slowly see or hear the thoughts move further away from you. As they move further and further from you, your awareness that is grounded in your body, into the earth, and into gravity. Notice how your thoughts become quieter. They can continue to move on their own, far from you, allowing you to rest in stillness. If a thought grabs your attention, simply release it back out to the others, drifting beyond you. And return to the center line of yourself, resting into the space between your sit bones. Resting into the space between your pubic bone and tailbone. Rest into the support through your spine. And rest into the center of your brain. When a thought calls your attention, return to your center and return to the support of gravity, the support of your body, and the movement of your breath. Consider this as a gentle workout for your mind, knowing that you can give attention to your thoughts later, but now you are giving yourself the gift of stilling your awareness to rest into your body, into the earth, and rest into silence. And take some moments to enjoy this gift of peace and being the healer of your own body and mind. And slowly, when you're ready, you can take your arms up over your head and open into an active stretch throughout your entire body. Feel yourself actively open and now relax, resting your arms down once again. And in your own time, you can gently open your eyes and let yourself experience this embodied presence as you move through the rest of your day.